Hi to all, Beanboozled again, and today I want to try the next flower. It will be yellow, top banana or wheat dog. Let's try. It's a new taste. The seventh. So I think it's yellow, and let's try the first yellow without the point. Good banana taste, like a banana bubble gum. Banana very tasty. Next, banana. Next, maybe this one is a wheat dog. Very unusual taste. It's not like banana. It's very unusual taste. I can't explain this taste. It's not taste of wheat dog. I've never tried the wheat dog, but I know the smell of wheat dog. I know the dog must be tasted like full, like yeah. I think the wheat dog is some fruit taste. Yeah, it's very unusual taste, and there's a strong taste. In the yellow, they very tasty banana and very unusual wheat dog. So yeah, yellow is interesting.